Storm is coming through.
It's blowing. I can't see anything.
That's because it's raining.
That's fog.
Huh?
That means it's raining. Disgusting.
And the wind stopped at least. It was hailing a little bit, but nothing major.
It's a little danger. But all that junk was on the road.
Yep.
Why is that on the road?
It's leaves and branches. What do you think? Do you like thunderstorms?
No.
No?
My mom don't.
Your mom don't like thunderstorms?
No.
Uncle Zach likes thunderstorms.
Well, my mom does. Well, my mom doesn't. Come on, get rid that fog. Oh, that junk was there. What was that?